Good morning. My name is Daniel Celis. I from Medellin. I live in Medellin with my dad. I have a dog. I have telework. Um, I like soccer. I like to cook chicken. I am software developer in a software development company. I study engineering system in the UNAT. I was on a trip last month in Jardín Antioquia with my family. I fished in lakes. The weather was cool. I slept in hotels with my family. Swams in lakes and pools. I was out for a walk. I am going on a trip to La Ceja with my family in a month. I would like to ride a bicycle. Um, I like to fish in lakes. I would like to walk in the street. I get into calm. Thank you.